In this video we are going to talk about the best bullet blender in this year, which is NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender. We will be going over the special key features of this product and why this product is so popular. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. The NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender is a high-powered blender designed for making smoothies and other blended beverages. It boasts a powerful 1700-watt motor, which makes it capable of blending even the toughest ingredients with ease. Here's a detailed review of its features. Design. The NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender features a sleek and modern design. It has a large 45-ounce capacity pitcher and comes with a variety of cups and lids, making it easy to take your drinks on the go. The blender is also equipped with safety features, including an automatic shut-off feature and a built-in safety switch. Power. The 1700-watt motor of the NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender is one of the most powerful in the market. This means that it is capable of blending even the toughest ingredients, such as nuts and seeds, with ease. The blender also has a pre-programmed auto cycle that runs for 1 minute, which can be extended to up to 7 minutes to achieve the desired texture. Ease of use. One of the best things about the NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender is that it is very easy to use. The blender features a one-touch operation, making it simple to start and stop the blending process. The cups and lids are also easy to assemble, making it easy to take your drinks on the go. Cleaning. Cleaning the NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender is relatively easy. The cups and lids are dishwasher safe, and the pitcher can be cleaned using warm water and dish soap. The blender also comes with a cleaning brush that can be used to clean hard-to-reach areas. Noise. The NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender is not the quietest blender in the market, but it is not the loudest either. It produces a moderate amount of noise, which is to be expected from a blender with a powerful motor. Price. The NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender is on the higher end of the price range for blenders. However, given its powerful motor and ease of use, it is a worthwhile investment for those who are serious about their smoothies and blended drinks. Overall, the NutriBullet Rx N17-1001 Blender is an excellent choice for those who are looking for a high-powered blender that is easy to use and can handle even the toughest ingredients. While it is on the pricier side, it is a worthwhile investment for those who want to make delicious and healthy blended drinks at home. That's all about this product today. If you want to get more information and customer reviews, you can check out the link in the description down below. I hope you like the video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and then subscribe my channel if you want to get more videos in future.